right, so basically an extra 6 hours of daylight at this point.
Yes.
Really only notice it occasionally, though, because so many days I feel have just been gray. That
They have
it's
been
like,
tough.
Are we really getting more time?
Yeah.
6 hours.
I know. Yeah, and I mean, this is, so June 21st is our longest day.
It's
so
coming up.
Yeah, it's not like the middle of summer, and we haven't had too many days. Yesterday was a good one. Today over southern Maine was nice. It was a bit of a mix. We got a couple of nice days coming, then we'll talk about what happens at the end of the week in just a minute. But you probably already have some ideas of that. Today was a bit of a split state forecast where southern Maine had a lot more sunshine than central and northern Maine, and then that kind of flipped at the very end. We got a band of clouds over southern Maine and some sun over parts of down east and northern Maine. But overall, a pretty decent day, but the temperatures corresponded or responded to how much sun we got. It was much warmer over southern Maine. Had a couple of showers into the mountains too, banking up on the northwest side of the ridge line. Didn't really make it downhill from there though, other than a couple of sprinkles, so those are petering out. Temperatures got into the upper 70s, still are, 79 in Sanford, 71 in Freiburg. They're close to the mid 70s earlier though. Meanwhile, where it was cloudy and we had onshore flow, it was in the 50s in Bar Harbor, 60 in Bangor. So tonight we all get on the same page temperature-wise, mostly down into the 40s, some 30s into the mountains, but not as chilly as it was last night when we had those frost advisories in effect. Tomorrow's a nice bright day. There will be some high thin cloudiness around, but overall bright. The thing that's going to happen tomorrow is it's going to be coast versus inland. So we'll start to turn these winds. You can see them right there, northeast originally, turning south to southeast, and that's enough to knock temperatures down along the coastline. So we may get to 60 at 10 a.m. and then flatline or drop. Meanwhile, inland will be in the upper 60s and low 70s. So we should have about a 10-degree delta between the coast and inland by tomorrow afternoon. Quiet tomorrow night. Another nice day on Wednesday. And Wednesday actually could be really nice over central and northern Maine. I'm not sure exactly what this model is picking up on other than a lot of sun, but it's trying to pop Caribou to 80 degrees. I do think we'll see some 70s easily away from the coastline, and the coast should be in the mid 60s. Still a bit of an onshore flow component. That's always hard to overcome. But Wednesday is nice. It's not until late afternoon into the early evening. Clouds come in and then some showers right behind it. And so we now follow this pattern that we've been into lately where the second half of the week just doesn't look as good as the first half. And that's because the high pressure system moves away. And so it opens a door to a couple of systems coming through. First one on Thursday, showers onshore flow, temperatures are cool, not a ton of rain, but it's kind of raw. And then Friday, there's not much shower activity, but there's a lot of clouds. So an isolated shower and a lot of clouds on Friday. Friday night, we do get into some rain into Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon looks better, but then back into showers on Sunday. And so it's a matter of which is better to you. This weekend, Brian, we split it right in half, okay? Like toss Saturday, that was never gonna be any good. Sunday's nice. This weekend, we spread it out a little bit. So neither day is terrible, but neither day is great either. So I don't know what the better way to do it is. I probably prefer last weekend style.
Yes.
Of like, this day will be nice.
Yeah. I'm gonna do all my inside stuff.
Yes.
And then go enjoy the
I don't see that this weekend, unfortunately. I think it's a little bit more spread out.
The
with
weekend
showers.
coming in, I feel like it's more of what we had for the last month and a half.
Yeah,
Just
yes.
Both days are kind of
Since
gray
March.
and wet.
We have struggled. Next weekend's Memorial Day weekend, so hopefully we can
Yeah.
get on the right page there.
Here's hoping. Keith, thanks so much.